Look at the sheer size of this crowd gathered together.
We proudly offer our greetings in a diverse array of languages.
Swagatam,
Vanakkam,
Namaskaram.
Vandanegulu.
India has its pride in calling itself culturally diverse.
In this spirit, our Jess family strives to weave together the rich cultures of our nation by providing a warm welcome to this event.
Welcome speech by Prapti Bose of Class 10C.
Thousands laid down their lives so that our country could breathe this day. Let us cherish this gift of freedom today and always. Distinguished guests, guest of honor, other eminent guests, respected teachers, and my dearest friends, my sincere greetings to you all. I deem it as a great esteem to present the welcome address on behalf of the principal, Mrs. Florence Elizabeth Ruby, and Jess family on this propitious day of the 78th Independence Day celebration. We are deeply honored by the presence of our chief guest, Mr. Augustine Jabakuma, General Secretary of GEMS and Secretary of Jess, whose vision and dedication laid the foundation for GEMS. Sir, your leadership has not only shaped this institution, but has also inspired us all to strive for excellence in education and service. Your presence today is a testament to the values of integrity, dedication, and faith that GEMS stands for. We welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to Mr. Anand Kumar, our Ministry Superintendent of GEMS institutions. Your leadership and support are essential. We are grateful for your continued guidance and encouragement. We welcome you, sir. A warm welcome to our Vice Principal, Mr. Babu Rajarehan, whose tireless efforts ensure that the high standards of our institution are upheld. Your dedication to the academic and administrative success of our school is truly commendable. We also warmly welcome Mr. Edwin Joseph Raj, our JES coordinator, whose role is crucial in coordinating various aspects of our school's activities. Your work behind the scenes contributes greatly to our success. A special welcome to our headmistress, Mrs. Priscilla Kirbaharan, and assistant headmistress, Mrs. Stacey Emmanuel. Your leadership and commitment to nurturing both students and teachers are cornerstones of our school's ethos. I would like to extend a heartwarming welcome to our esteemed teachers. You are the pillars upon which the future of our school and students is built. Your dedication, patience, and passion for teaching are what makes this institution thrive. We thank you for your relentless efforts and for being such an integral part of our JES family. I would want to extend an amiable welcome to the campus personalities from various departments for accepting our invitation and being present here with us. I consider it as a great privilege to welcome our non-teaching staff and volunteers for their constant and unwavering support. Dear students, today is not just a day to celebrate our nation's independence, but also a day to reflect on what it means to be responsible citizens. As you participate in today's events, remember that you are the future of this great nation, and the values you cultivate now will shape the India of tomorrow. Lastly, a warm welcome to all the parents who have joined us today. Your trust and partnership are vital for the success of our students and our school. We are grateful for your continued support and encouragement. As we gather today on this auspicious day, standing on the base form of liberty, let's remember the people who made it possible, saluting their sacrifice and promoting their ideals. Let's make them our inspiration. Thank you.
Thank you, Prapti.